Hi lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how we made this delicious shea butter infused dawadawa jollof. To make this we need some shea butter, chopped onions, some chopped fresh tomatoes. In here I have some dawadawa, some dry anchovies and some smoked fish. Then we also need some rice. We shall also make use of salt and some seasoning cube. Into a hot saucepan, I'll transfer some of the shea butter into it and I'll allow it to melt completely. Then I'll add the chopped onions. After frying the onions for about 2 minutes, I'm now adding the dawadawa or the locust beans. I will also fry it for a while for about 2 minutes so that the aroma of the dawadawa will infuse into the oil. Then after that, we'll go ahead and add in our chopped tomatoes. While our tomatoes is frying, we'll go ahead and grind our pepper into a fine paste, and then after the tomatoes is ready, we'll go ahead and add the pepper to it. At this point I added in the fresh ground pepper, but unfortunately my camera wasn't recording, so right now I'm raising the bowl and then I'll pour the water into it. This is after about 5 minutes of frying our tomatoes in the oil. After that I added the seasoning cube and our fish. I'm now adding salt to taste, then I'll mix everything together and cover the pot and allow it to continue cooking for some few minutes. It's now time for us to add some water to this, so add water and then we'll cover it and allow it to boil. Our water has been boiling for about 5 minutes now, so it's time for us to add the rice to it. After adding the rice, I'll mix everything together and adjust the salt and allow it to cook. So we need to check the rice from time to time to make sure that it does not get burnt. So I'll stir this and allow it to continue cooking. Our food is looking lovely already and we can't wait for this to be ready. Checking on the rice again and it is almost ready, but it is a bit hard. I'll use these leaves to cover the rice and allow it to continue cooking until it is nice and done. Now let's see if our rice is ready. So after I added in the leaves, I went ahead and added some pepper to it, but I didn't record that part. So right now I've checked on the rice and at this point our rice is ready. So it is time for us to serve and enjoy. We enjoy this delicious meal with some boiled guinea fowl eggs, and it tastes so delicious. So if you have some dawa dawa and you have some shea butter and the other ingredients, please go ahead and give this a try. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section telling us what you think about this meal. See you in our next video. Bye.